Hi children, I hope all are fine and healthy. So everybody let's just stay home, be alert, but don't panic. Think positively, don't break the study. Let us continue our study. So in our last Mulberry class, we just started the first lesson. The first lesson name is Pippi Goes to the Circus. So in this lesson we read about Pippi and her friends Tommy and Annika. Pippi had grown up at sea, that's why she didn't know much about life on land. So they three children went to see the circus. Pippi didn't know what is a circus. So both of them, her friends Tommy and Annika, make to her understand what is a circus. So Pippi from here. Next passage we will start from here. Okay, let us start. Pippi and Annika came to sit on some beautiful red chairs right next to the ring. This is a marvelous place, said Pippi, looking around in astonishment. But see, they have spilled sawdust all over the floor. Not that I am over fussy myself about, but that does look careless to me. Tommy explained that all circus had sawdust on the floor for the horses to run around in. So Pippi, Tommy, and Annika came to sit on some beautiful red chairs next to the ring. And Pippi liked the place. Marvelous place means good place. And Pippi looking around in astonishment. And she was fussy. Here one word is given here, fussy. Fussy means worried about unimportant things. So our Pippi is worried about sawdust. She noticed that in all over the floor there was sawdust. What is sawdust? Sawdust means a dust when we cut wooden things with a saw. That is sawdust. So for what, for why or for what sawdust spilled on the floor? Actually sawdust is a gripping thing. So if we will spill the sawdust, the animals can run easily. So Tommy explained that all circus had sawdust on the floor for the horses to run around in. Now next paragraph. On a platform nearby, the circus band suddenly began to play a thundering march. The curtain in front of the performers' entrance was drawn aside, and the ringmaster in a black frock coat came running into the ring, followed by a coal black horse. On its back stood a beautiful lady dressed in green silk tights. The program said her name was Miss Carmencita. So you already known about the circus, no? So before going their show, first a band will come. Here is one in-text question given. What did the circus band play? The circus band play a thundering march. Who was in the ring with Miss Carmencita? With Miss Carmencita, there was ringmaster. The horse trotted around in the sawdust. Miss Carmencita stood calmly on back and smiled. But then something happened just as the horse passed Pippi's. Something came swishing through the air, and it was none other than Pippi herself. And there she stood on the horse's back behind Miss Carmencita at first. Miss Carmencita was so astonished that she nearly fell off the horse. She began to push with her hands behind her back to make Pippi jump off, but that didn't work. So, in this passage, when the horse just passed near Pippi's seat, a swishing sound through the air. Swishing means here swishing means already word meanings are given. Swishing means moving quickly through the air in a way that makes a soft sound. That is swishing, moving quickly through the air. It makes a soft sound, that is swishing. So, when the horse just passed nearby Pippi's seat, a swishing sound came. It was none other than Pippi herself. What has happened? Pippi jumped onto the horseback just behind Miss Carmencita. At first, Miss Carmencita was so astonished, so surprised to see Pippi with her on the horseback. Then she tried to push her. She tried to jump off, make to Pippi jump off from the horseback, but it didn't work. Next page. Take it easy, said Pippi. Do you think you are the only one who can have any fun? Other people have paid too, haven't they? So I told you Pippi didn't know anything about the circus. Okay. So she thought that anyone can jump on the horse and to have fun. So that she jumped onto the horse and she told to Carmencita that we also, that means Tommy, Annika and Pippi also paid money to have fun. Then Miss Carmencita tried to jump off herself, but that didn't work either because Pippi was holding her tightly around the waist. So Miss Carmencita tried to jump off from the horse, but that couldn't work because Pippi held her very tightly. The audience couldn't help laughing. The audience couldn't help laughing. They thought it was funny to see the lovely Miss Carmencita held against her will by a little red-headed youngster who stood there on the horse's back. But the ringmaster didn't laugh. He turned toward an attendant in a red uniform and made a sign to him to go and stop the horse. So the ringmaster gave an instruction to the attendant to stop the horse. Is this act already over? Asked Pippi in a disappointed tone. Just when we were having so much fun. So Pippi asked the attendant that is the act already over, or she asked to the ringmaster that is the act already over. Otherwise, when we were having so much fun. Get off the horse, said the ringmaster. So ringmaster told her that jump out or get off the horse. Pippi looked at him sadly. Why are you annoyed with me? She asked. What is the matter? I thought we were here to have fun. She skipped off the horse and went back to her seat. But now 2 huge guards came to remove her from the circus. They took hold of her and tried to lift her up. They couldn't do it. Pippi sat absolutely still, and it was impossible to budge her, although they tried as hard as they could. At last they shrugged their shoulders and went off. Pippi smiled and she sat and watched the rest of the show. So, after skipping from the horse, 2 huge guards came to remove her from the circus. So, but they couldn't remove her from the seat. We from the starting we already learned she was a strong child, strong girl. So it was impossible to budge her, although they tried as hard as they could. At last they gave up the they gave up that act and they went off from there. Then Pippi smiled and continued to watch the show. So you just learn the word meanings today and read the lesson. This is the lesson for you today. Learn it. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.